Join me as I challenge myself to practice mindfulness meditation every day this week to see if I can actually sleep better by tonight. In this video, you'll learn the basics of mindfulness meditation and how it can help you sleep better tonight. Many people struggle with insomnia and anxiety, which prevents them from getting a good night's sleep. Have you ever found yourself lying awake at 2 a.m., your mind racing with thoughts and worries? You're not alone. In fact, according to the National Sleep Foundation, over 30% of the general population experiences sleep disruptions. It's a problem that affects not just our physical health, but our mental well-being too. When we don't get enough rest, we can feel irritable, anxious, and depressed. It's a vicious cycle that's hard to break. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle and start sleeping better tonight? One of the main reasons we struggle with sleep is because our minds are constantly active. We're always thinking about something, work, relationships, or just everyday worries. Our brains are like computers that never shut down, and it's exhausting. But mindfulness meditation offers a solution. By training our minds to focus on the present moment, we can quiet down that constant chatter and relax our bodies. It's not about achieving some sort of mystical state or trying to control our thoughts. It's simply about being present in the moment. We'll explore the principles of mindfulness meditation, including techniques you can easily incorporate into your nightly routine. Mindfulness is all about paying attention to the present moment, without judgment or distraction. It's about focusing on your breath, your body, or your emotions, and letting go of all the thoughts that keep you awake at night. One of the simplest techniques is to focus on your breath. Just sit comfortably, close your eyes, and feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. When your mind starts to wander, and it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. It's not about achieving some sort of perfect meditation state. It's about being consistent and patient. Another technique is body scan meditation. Lie down or sit comfortably and bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to the top of your head. As you focus on each area, release any tension or discomfort. It's amazing how much physical relaxation can help you fall asleep faster. You can also try guided meditation, where you listen to a gentle voice guiding you through the process. Whatever technique you choose, the key is to make it a regular part of your routine. Discover how just a few minutes of mindfulness meditation before bed can transform your sleep experience and lead to deeper rest. When you meditate before bed, you're signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. You're creating a ritual that tells your body, okay, it's time to relax and recharge. And the results can be amazing. Not only do you fall asleep faster, but you also sleep more soundly and wake up feeling more refreshed. In my own experience, I've found that mindfulness meditation has been a game changer for my sleep. I used to lie awake for hours, worrying about tomorrow's tasks or reliving yesterday's stress. But since I started practicing mindfulness, I've noticed a significant improvement in my sleep quality. I fall asleep faster, I sleep more soundly, and I wake up feeling more energized and focused. Mindfulness meditation is not a magic pill, but it's a powerful tool that can help you sleep better tonight. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can start to see real changes in your sleep quality and overall well-being. And the best part is, it's not something that requires a lot of time or effort. Just a few minutes a day can make all the difference. To recap, mindfulness meditation can alleviate stress and enhance your sleep quality, making it a valuable practice for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment sharing your experience with mindfulness meditation. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips.